Hey, it's Rowan Samuel, your Naples, Florida realtor with John R. Wood Properties and the Samuel team. And I'm here today at Venetian Bay and Venetian Village in Park Shore. It's a beautiful spot. This is a man-made bay. It was developed actually by the Lutgert family. And you can see on either side of the bay here, I'm kind of on one side, but here's a video of the other side. But you can see you have some condos, you also have some single family homes with boat docks, and then there is a whole kind of commercial area over here, which is called Venetian Village. And this has a number of shops and restaurants that actually service this entire area in Park Shore, including all the high-rises which are in front of me. And there are a number of high-rises that dot Gulf Shore Boulevard on both the beach side and, of course, on the other side with the bay, which is called Venetian Bay. So this is a great spot in Naples. It's very close to the beach. You have a lot of owners who are beachgoers, but are also boaters. And what's nice is we do have a marina over here at Venetian Village as well. So you can have your boat slip there. To get out of here, actually by boat, you do have to go south up towards Doctor's Pass. And you do have to go under a couple of bridges, but that's just the nature of this beast. In front of us is actually the Park Shore Beach. And this particular beach is a private beach only for Park Shore residents, and it's part of a voluntary association in Park Shore. One-time charge of about $200 and then about $100 a year after that. And that gives you access directly to the beach and parking right next to the beach, as well as a restaurant facility and a beautiful beach park. In one of my other videos, I'll actually share with you some information there. But this is Venetian Village. Feel free to click on the link to learn more about Venetian Village and Venetian Bay. Again, there are a number of homes here, and of course, lots of parking and a lot of area on the inside to walk around. I'm going to end this video now, but I'm going to take another video of the inside of Venetian Village. So keep watching. So here we are again. This is the interior of Venetian Village, and this is on the north side of Venetian Village. We are just on the tail end of things opening here as part of the coronavirus. The governor has just allowed all of these retail facilities to open back up. You kind of see there's a number of spots to eat, a number of restaurants. And typically this time of year, this whole area is teeming with people. And is a very busy spot, especially at night, with a number of restaurants which are right on the water. Beautiful spots to have a drink and a nice meal. But this gives you a really good idea of some of the open water views here. You can kind of see there's a condo complex over there with some boat slips, and then you can see some individual single-family homes in Park Shore. There's even a brand new one that's being built over there with a brand new seawall and a boat dock. And then you can also see these additional villas and condos on the other side of the bay there. And again, this has a north side of the bay and then also a south side of the bay, which is just on the other side of that bridge. Is one of the nicest spots in Naples, in my opinion. It's very, very close to everything in town. Downtown is probably only 15 minutes away. Downtown Naples, Mercado is about 7 minutes away. And there's no shortage of restaurants and activities to do in this area without having to go very far, especially if you live in any one of the high rises, mid rises, or low rises in the area. And again, all of those types of properties, which really range from starting in the low fours up to the multi-millions, all depending on if you're on the beach or on the bay. But just kind of give you a good idea of Venetian Village. There are probably 6 or 7 restaurants in this complex. some of them very, very good. And looking forward to the time when they start to get busy again and this coronavirus pandemic passes. But lots of parking. And on the other side of the street here, you can kind of see some of the high-rises up there. Up there. And those ones are right on the beach and have beautiful views of the Gulf of Mexico. And anything on the beach side typically will start in the 8s or 9s, 8 to 900,000 for a unit that needs work and doesn't have great views. At the minute that you're into a larger unit, you know, a 3-bedroom with beach views, you quickly start to hit over $1 million plus, all depending on the size of the unit and the view. And of course the stack. All of these high rises on Gulf Shore Boulevard are dependent on the stacks. Some have 4, 5, 6, 7 stacks, and the stacks are based on which direction they face. So it could be north, northwest, south, southwest, east, west, northeast, southeast, etc. And of course those views vary, and the price tag also varies based on the view of the unit and the location to the beach. Most of the high-rises here on the other side of Venetian Bay and Venetian Village, on the beach side, are offset a little bit. They're not right on the beach, as they were built a little bit later, starting in the 80s. And Naples had changed their rules for building, as compared with if you go to Coquina Sands, where you go to the moorings, which are just a couple of neighborhoods south. They're older buildings, and some of them are more right on the sand. And the same for Vanderbilt Beach, which is more right on the sand. But certainly a great spot in Naples, and thanks for watching.